Yes, Kapampangan is a language. Kapampangan is a language and has two dialects. What are those dialects? North dialect and South dialect.
On this day, we celebrate the language of art and the art of language.
Buing kakatamo na not only today, but the whole August, bulan, ning kakatamo ang AMÁNU'T Sisuan.
First word ko nga balik ko Arlen, kaluguran na kayo.
Matagal na ako eh.
Salamat mo rin kay kakataon ng cake na makapag-exhibita mo.
Salamat kayo. Gagawin tamo na maging yung mas makapit ang gamat.
Nakapag-exhibit, so akat mo ang mo.
Feeling good, every day and every night. Life is a journey full of spices, gotta savor every slice. I have surprises around the corner, I can't predict, I can't pretend. Just hug them, make them yours, enter directly, open the door.